Hey teachers, I'm going to show you how you can use GradeTransferer to grab your students' grades from Agilix Buzz so you can transfer it over to your gradebook in just a few seconds. Let's get started. So there are two areas in Buzz where we can grab student grades. The first one is the gradebook area. On this view, we can grab the score column. If you do not have the score column enabled, just go to your options and make sure to check score under the grade and then click save. So in this view, grabbing is very easy. All you do is go to GradeTransferer and click the big green grab data button, and the student scores from that column will be retrieved. You will see them in a pop-up summary with your students' names and grades. You can take this over to your district gradebook and fill them in. The next area where we can grab from is the actual assignment or the activity grader. To get there, just click on the blue hyperlinked title of one of your assignments, and you will be on the activity grader view. You can grab the student grades from this assignment by opening up GradeTransfer and clicking on the big green grab data button. Same thing as before, you'll have your pop-up summary, and you can go fill these into any of our supported platforms for filling. That's all for now. Happy transferring.